we're told the list below shows 3 clues about a number. And they say which of these numbers could be the number described. So why don't you pause this video and try to do this before we do this together. Okay, now let's do this together. So the first clue is the number is greater than 43,215. So let's see which of these numbers are greater than 43,215. So they all have 4 10,000s, so that doesn't help us much. But if we go to the thousands place, this one only has 2 thousands. So it's not greater. This is 42,000 and something. So it's definitely less than 43,000 and something. So we can rule this one out just based on that first clue. Now these second two, this is 45,000 and something and 46,000 and something. So it's definitely larger than 43,000 and something. So we've used that first clue. We're going to have it down now to 2 numbers. So second clue, the number is less than 47,890. Well, both of these, this is 45,000 and something. This is 46,000 and something. So they're both less than 47,000 and something. So this isn't really helping us that much. Now let's look at this last clue. The number has a 6 in the hundreds place. So the hundreds place, this is 1, tens, hundreds. 6 in the hundreds place. I like choice B. Ones, tens, hundreds. This does not have a 6 in the hundreds place. We rule that one out, and B is our answer.